Hi everyone, here's KSTYLEyo. Today I'm going to talk about how to say you're welcome in Korean. Welcome back. My name is Inyoung. If you're new here, I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today I'm going to talk about this phrase, you're welcome in Korean. This phrase can be very confusing when you start learning Korean language as a beginner, just because in most of the textbooks, they're gonna teach you as the textbook answer, which is 천만에요.
천만에요.
I don't remember I actually said that to any of my friends before. 천만에. It's so weird. Often you're gonna see that as you're welcome in textbooks. So you might as well learn it a little bit. 천만에요. That is in a polite speech. 천만에. That's in a casual speech. 천만에요. 천만에. How about the real one? The real stuff. The first thing that I have to talk about the culture in South Korea. Often we're not that great at getting compliments. I'm not speaking for everyone, but usually I found that when somebody says thank you, it's hard for us to say, oh, pleasure. It's hard to say that. We almost say, it's nothing. Don't mention it. In our culture, when somebody does good for you, we know the fact that they did something good, but not necessarily we're gonna say out loud. But if we do, it's hard for us to accept the thanks directly. It's not for everyone. Maybe some people do accept thanks very well, but I do find that we tend to say, don't mention it. 왜 그래? Don't mention it. So for that reason, this is the common phrase that you may hear more often. 아니에요. Means it's not. It's nothing. 아니에요. When somebody says 감사합니다. 아니에요. Or that's in a polite speech, in casual speech. 아니야. 아니야. And another one that we can use, 뭐요. 뭘요. More is what. By adding R underneath, it makes what as the object. R is the object particle in that syllable. By adding R to what, 뭐, it makes what as an object noun. More, 요. 요 is just making it polite. 뭐요. That means, what are you thanking for? What are you thanking for? 뭐요. Or in casual way, more. 뭘 그거 갖고 그래? What are you thanking for? So like I mentioned, the textbook version is 천만에요, 천만에. But the real version is 아니에요, 아니야. And then the bonus one is 뭘요, or more. 뭘 그거 갖고 그래? If you can think of any other phrases that you heard or used to say you're welcome in Korean way, please share that in the comment down below. If you have any other questions, leave them comment down below as well. If you like this video, give thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye!